Hello everybody, welcome to another video by Math Academy. So in this video we'll be doing a simple fractional addition. So you can see the fractional question that is written here. We can see that instead of two numbers that is generally seen, we are trying to add three different fractions. So when we are adding three different fractions, what we have to ensure is that before doing the addition, there are many methods to actually solve this. Some people actually prefer to add first two terms, then take the sum of this one and then add these two. This is one method that many people actually have the tendency to follow. That is one way of doing it, of course, but the other way is to have a different way of approach in which we'll be adding all three of them together. For doing all three of them together, what we have to do is that we have to take the LCM first. So that is going to be 2, 13 and 26. So when we are going for this one, when we are taking the LCM, you can see that in these two terms, both of them are actually even numbers. So we go for 2 first. When we go for 2, I'll get 1, 13 and 13. So that is one way. Now you can see that this is 1 here. So there is nothing to do here for this term. Then we have 13 and 13. So we'll go ahead and divide the whole thing by 13. So you'll end up getting 1, 1 and 1. That's it. So what is going to be the LCM of these three numbers? This is going to be 13 into 2, that is 26. So we have to convert all the denominators into the LCM, that is 26. That is one way of doing it. Some people actually may prefer going with the concept of cross multiplication. That is also fine. There is nothing wrong in this case. In this particular case, it is fine to go ahead with cross multiplication also. We'll do that method also. First we'll complete the concept of cross LCM, then we'll see the method of cross multiplication. So here we can see, in order to convert this into 26, what is the first thing you have to do? You have to multiply and divide by the number 13. So what happens? My numerator is going to become 13 in the first case. Now in the second case, you can see that you have to multiply and divide by the number, which one? To make the denominator to be 26, you have to multiply and divide it by 2. So this 5 becomes what? This 5 becomes 10. Now this 3 will remain as it is because the denominator is already 26. So now we can see that 13 plus 10 is 23, 23 plus 3 is 26. So you can see the answer is going to be 26 divided by 26, which is equal to 1. So I really hope the concept is very much clear to you. So in this way, this is the way in which we go for which one? We'll go for the concept of LCM. Now when we look for the concept of cross multiplication, because that is also a very important method that most students actually prefer to use the method of cross multiplication. Now there are situations where cross multiplication would not be advisable, but in this question cross multiplication is fine to go ahead with. So what we will do, we'll just add these two numbers together first. So when we are going for cross multiplication, it is going to be 13 into 1 plus 5 into 2 divided by 13 into 2 plus 3 by 26. Now you can see 13 into 1 is going to be 13, 5 into 2 is going to be 10. So it is going to be 10 plus 13 divided by 26 plus 3 by 26. Now what is 13 plus 10? 13 plus 10 is going to be 23 by 26 plus 3 by 26. You will end up with 26 by 26, which is equal to 1 again. So that means that we again got the answer to be equal to 1. So which is the best preferred method? So in my opinion, you should be comfortable with both the methods, because in this method, in this question, as far as this question is concerned, I would always prefer the cross multiplication because the numbers are very small. But if the numbers become larger, it is always better to go ahead with the concept of LCM. So you should be comfortable with both the methods rather than just focusing on one method alone. You should actually adapt yourself to the situation that comes in front of you. Alright, so I really hope this video has been helpful for you. You were able to understand the basics of addition of fractions. So for more such videos, you ensure that you follow our channel, and if you like the video, click a like button, and of course please comment your opinions in the comment section. So really hope to see you ahead, and what do you think of all of you think about my videos. And if you would like to know more about the courses that we conduct at Math Academy, please visit our website and the description. The link to the website is present in the description box. Please do that, and I'll be coming to you with more such videos regularly. So please keep following us, and it is me, Nikhil, signing off from Math Academy. It's a goodbye.